Hey, this is Teresa, Mountain Air Farms. Well, I am back. This is the same day. I've just been working, trying to get everything squared off. They've got their corners all squared off and everything. It's took them about 3, maybe 4 hours doing that. So I've just been sitting there waiting and watching them. They are starting to punching the first holes for all the posts. I do know that wall, if you're ever dealing with a retaining wall like that, each block is not exactly the same. So they had, a fit trying to get everything square and level. So they've got it all square and level with it. They are punching the holes. And evidently they hit rock. Come back.
Kicking the hole off.
Yeah.
We need to be back this way.
They're hitting rock big time. Yeah. Hitting rock. I'm hoping that all these holes ain't going to be the same. Come back. It looked like you need to come back a little bit.
What?
Come back a little bit more.
What?
Okay.
I can't see her.
There.
You probably have to pull that stake out. What? You probably have to pull that stick out.
There it goes a dancing again. They are hitting rock.
The holes are going everywhere. You'll have to adjust all the strings. Huh? You just have to adjust with the strings. Adjust the string. Adjust. You have the strings. Adjust the placement. Yeah, well, it's have to dig out and chip away. Right.
definitely have several more hours to go today. Hopefully the other ones are not going to hit rock. You're going to try to hit those again?
We'll have to take the pit to it.
So they're going to take a pit to those. Try to bust up them rock. Shear pin.
Push that head over there so I can line it back up. We'll put another shear pin bolt in. Right. Down a little bit.
Watch your fingers.
Back up a little bit.
No, don't do anything.
No.
The bolt is still in there. If we don't knock out that bolt, it's going to
Oh, it's still in there?
We can get it out of there. Once we get it out of the knot, it's going to jam up again.
Now what they're talking about, there is what's called a shear pin. And that shear pin, if it hits a really large rock or a boulder, then what it does, instead of breaking the gearbox and tearing up your gearbox, it breaks those shear pins. You'll have to bust it through from the other side, I think, dear. Knock it through. But it's just a big bolt that goes through. That, yeah. See? Oh,
That's it.
there.
The washer's down here.
Well, he could still use the.
You don't even need the washer.
No, I meant the bolt.
We'll probably break
Okay.
another one.
That's yours.
Now we'll just have to put the strings up, and then it may be
Moving them
hand digging over so far just to get everything where it lines up. That's
Right.
just-
Yeah.
And then make sure we can pick out some of the big rocks and then try to do it again.
Right.
That's it, then.
Well, it may be those will be on a little bit shallow and make it like a footer block.
You ready?
Yep.
Watch your hand, because this thing comes down quick.
Just a little bit.
Down?
Up.
Just a You gotta lift it. Can you put this through the hole?
Oh, there. Oh, here.
Turn that tractor off there.
Nope, you're still off.
I can't see now. Yeah.
How about
Right, you
if
gotta
I
lift it.
Can we move the?
I don't know. Did you move that at all?
No, just moved it back.
All right, lift the arm.
Well, let me start the tractor.
Well, I started saying it had a hole all the way
I
through.
know, but it wasn't lined up, honey.
Oh,
It's got to be lined up so the boat will go through it.
right there. It's all you're doing is just put the screwdriver there.
Yeah,
So you can
lift
lift
up on it. I ain't gonna turn it off.
See, it's loose in there. It should come right up.
You want it down?
Up.
No more. Almost.
I can't see that other side.
It's lift
This
up
side is low. Hold on.
I'm falling off.
Go. Go.
there. All right. Fun times.
Let's keep it. Should be good on this one.
A little bit, all that stuff.
I'm gonna turn it off.
Huh?
So I was gonna turn it off. All right, dear. So y'all still got quite a ways to go to punch these other holes, don't you?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what. I'm gonna leave you all to it. Is there anything you need from Maynardville? I gotta go
Not
by
that
the
I know
hardware
of.
store. Do you need those two posts out of the back of my truck?
We'll probably throw them over to the side just
Okay.
in case we do need them.
Okay. All right. Well, he'll probably do a short little 3-minute one at the end of the day just to show you what he has done. So I need to do a couple errands, and I'll have these loaded up, and we'll have his loaded up this evening or tomorrow morning. So, well, remember to like, subscribe, and share. We love your comments and suggestions. We love hearing from you. And as always, remember, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.
Yeah, this is just where all them big